How to remove AI on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can remove AI on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to remove the AI on Snapchat, which is basically this option, if I just open up the Snapchat application over here, as you can see, if I come to my chat page, you have this new chat bot which is at the very top, which is called My AI. Now personally, even I think it is bugging. I just wish it could be somewhere at the bottom right. Whenever I want some help, I would just go ahead and ask it, but it is at the top of my Snap feed, top of my chat feed. I really don't want it to be there, so what can you do? Well, let me tell you that there is only one way to remove My AI on Snapchat, and that is to get Snapchat Plus. Yes, unfortunately Snapchat has made it this way that you need to be a Snapchat Plus subscriber in order to be able to remove My AI. Because as you can see, if you don't believe me, I'll open up My AI here, and I asked itself how I can remove itself from my chat feed, and what it told me was Snapchat Plus subscribers get first dibs on new AI features and can choose to remove or unpin My AI from their chat feed. So that is the only thing that we can do. There aren't any other solutions. If you have Snapchat Plus, you would need to long press on it over here on this My AI, go to chat settings, and then you would find the option to clear from chat feed, and then you would be able to unpin My AI as well. And in order to get Snapchat Plus, you just need to tap the profile icon from the top left of the screen, and then here you'll find Snapchat Plus. Just go ahead and tap on it, and then here you'll be able to see all the benefits and features of being a Snapchat Plus user. And you can just tap the next option, fill in your payment details, and then you should be able to go ahead and then get all the necessary benefits. Unfortunately, this is simply how it works. Currently there aren't any other way to remove My AI. One thing you can do is you can just stop asking whatever it actually asks you, but for the general context of the idea, this is how you do it. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.